Cigweld's putting the Silicon Carbide inverter into SiC with the new BlueVenom SiC Range. Silicon Carbide's got 3 times the thermal conductivity of standard silicon. This allows this range of machines that feature the new silicon chip to run cooler and improve overall performance and efficiency. With less input, they deliver more output and a more stable arc, using 15 to 25% less energy, which reduces heat generation too. The SiC range starts with a 195, which is a 5-in-1 machine, and then the rest of the range moving up are all 6-in-1 machines, delivering single and double pulse MIG, AC and DC TIG, cold TIG, and stick pulse. Another cool benefit of the SiC range is the power factor correction. This helps to maximize the efficiency if there's a drop in power. The range features easy to use displays and automation, so it's easy to just plug it in and get ready to start welding, but you can also dial in and customize everything on that display too. The BlueVenom SiC range is IP23S rated, so it can be used in a humid environment, and the entire range is available now at your local Sydney Tools store. You can also head over to our website for the full specs of every machine in the range. And if you have any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.